Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are installing a new heat pump air conditioning system for a customer here. And as you can see behind me, we have the new one in there installed. We took off the door there, and we're upstairs right now. But we're going downstairs. Go look at the unit outside here quick. Here is the unit outside. Get that bad boy installed. 5-ton heat pump. So call us for all your Call us for our air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can find us at the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, number 512-448-0532. Thanks. See you guys in the next video.